What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl essentially K. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hello. If you are returning, what's good? Welcome or welcome back, y'all. I hope you're having the most amazing day, week, and month wherever you are in the world. As you read by the title today, it's just like a little day in the life type vlog. Not necessarily sure what I'm going to be doing in this vlog for real today, but I wanted to pick up the camera anyway and just kind of vlog whatever comes about my way today. If you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button down below, tap that notification bell so that you don't miss any weekly uploads. Actually, in August, I'm going to give this little drop right now, but in August, y'all, I plan to actually upload every single day. No matter what that kind of video or what videos it is, but like I want to post something every single day outside of posting shorts every day. So if you already are following me on Instagram, you know I've been like posting reels for like fitness from my yoga classes that I take. So you'll actually see a exclusive on Instagram, but I'm going to be uploading more content on YouTube as shorts. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, y'all, I will see y'all in the next clip. Like I said, I don't know what we're getting into today, but I figured I would record anyway. Track bike, Glover.
That's my daughter. I'm going to sue.
No, we will blur kids out. This, we true to this. You want to cross right here? Yeah, you gotta get used to
my
it.
belly up.
It's making it come quicker. A Chico.
Hold your arm up.
You can't get like double chin. You gotta get like, yes, hold on, get that. A little thigh action. Not that high. Or you trying to be funny? I'm not even talking for real. Hold on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Big K, not the little one. Which flavor should I get you guys? What did I get last time? Salted caramel truffle and cake batter, I think. You said what? Definitely cake batter. Alright, y'all. So Trey likes to make it seem like I'm the one that just has to have all the sweets. But here we are. Kind of look like a mixture of literally everything. Like everything but the kitchen sink. Have you ever seen that offer somewhere? Like an ice cream called Everything But the Kitchen Sink, where they mix all of it. That's still way too big. On the adult swings, y'all. Even though there's some kids down there that are like trying to go as high as possible. Mid-comb. I said I caught you mid-comb. At least it ain't all in your beard no more.
You let the comb get soggy?
No, it was. Can you hold this for a second? I couldn't get the paper off the bottom, and I thought I did, but there's still like a piece in there. I was about to eat that. Wait. Oh, that's big. Oh well. Let me just eat the top. But we came to handle, y'all. It's so good. He put me on to it like a week ago. So we came back today. This day vlog ended up turning into a weekend vlog, so I'm gonna cut the clip here for now. We'll see y'all tomorrow and or Sunday. Sunday I actually have to work, so I might take y'all to work with me. We might take class on Sunday in the vlog. We'll see. Grand Rising YouTube. As I said yesterday, this vlog has turned into like a weekend vlog because I kept forgetting to pick up my camera yesterday. So today is Saturday and I'm about to get my day started. I think I'm gonna go take class in like 30 minutes, 35 minutes or so, which is an original hot yoga. I think all the classes I've been posting are like vinyasa classes, so excited to take OHYs. That's like my favorite modality to practice. But it's a nice day outside. I think it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, so that'll be nice. But I'm gonna go take class. Also need to pack because, as some of you guys know, I still have my dance competition job, so next week is nationals and I need to pack for that trip because I leave in like 48 hours. Actually less than, and I have yet to pack, and I'm going to be gone for a week. So we're going to do that today and see what else the day has ahead. Again, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I upload, not just weekly, but anytime.
We in the bag and we back in the tia. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Vince Lord. She gets down just like Vince Lord. That brown the blood, she's not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's away.
Alrighty folks, we are at Hamilton Town Center for lunch / to walk around, I guess. Maybe. Took class, that was good. I might include the reel if not, or the short. If not, then feel free to go check on my Instagram. But yeah, simple Saturday. Not too much to do at all except for like pack and prepare myself for competition. But nice weather and nice company. So this is the fit of the day. Nothing crazy, super casual, super comfy, which is like my thing. So we can walk right here, I think. But anyway, enjoy the ride.
She wasn't on a runner, she wanted on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin cool. Yeah, I wish to you. You see the light skin girl and the light skin cool. You know what I do, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Vince Lord. She gets down just like Vince Lord. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's away. She gets away.
With the Wagyu. $16.
With the Wagyu, and you said so the brunch burger's not even touching.
That shit was good. That might be the best burger, bro.
Maybe you was just hungry. You don't think that's what it is? He said no. So Trey gave his burger, his brisket burger, a 10, y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Amazing. Amazing. 10 out of 10.
You like sucking your teeth and
Even
everything.
had garlic aioli.
Was that on the burger though?
I asked for it.
Oh.
Still, I had
So that was a little addition and it was worth it. Thank you. So that was worth it, huh? Oh man.
Sorry. Is it 2? Because that's like the one we went in yesterday.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we just parked in a different spot yesterday.
I actually got a what Chipotle chicken sandwich or something like that. I think it was pretty good. What? Oh my gosh! I didn't even see him there. Kids don't care at all. But I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it like a solid 8.5 for sure. But yeah, it was pretty good. The fries were good. I love a good fry. Their barbecue sauce was good. Like Trey said, the garlic aioli was good as well. Fire. But it's nice out. I'm glad it's not like, it's hot, but it's not like unbearable heat.
You know the food is good when you gotta like walk it off. Take a lap.
Oh, for sure. 100%. Also, my arm hurts. Can you take this, please? Thank you. We're turning Trey into a vlogger, people.
I need like, it's like 10%.
No, you gotta raise it just a little bit. There you go. It shouldn't be like, yeah. I might need you to be a cameraman. And on top of that, like you already a little bit tall, or not a little bit, but you're taller than me, so it gives you the advantage of being a cameraman with longer arms.
Did you ever find out about ΚoHatch?
I didn't even look into it. Gotta watch my toes around here. Yesterday I kept tripping all day. Alright, y'all, we will talk to y'all later. Gonna enjoy this little walk off camera.
There we go.
Mercedes bought some free cars. Oh no, this nigga's worse off.
About doing at 17, right? Just started driving.
That man got a noggin on him.
Here, when he had the birds, you really couldn't tell how big his head was.
Yo, why did they do that from the side?
We're counting out.
That's disrespectful for real.
I remember the first time that I played in an NBA game. It's like living a dream. It ain't nothing like walking into those NBA arenas, feeling that energy, that hate.
And hear those fans going crazy. When we would come into the gym, we knew the Pistons were going to win. We just didn't know by how much.
Anytime you put 20,000 people together for 4 or 5 hours,
the drinking.
Never have I ever come this route. Yeah, we decided to walk to IKEA, even though we were gonna just walk throughout the neighborhood, but why not? It's right here. I'm just a little nervous about it being animals over here.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we bugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like 𝗏𝖾. She gets down just like 𝗏Л. Burn the blood, she's not throwing shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. She gets away. She wasn't on a road, now she want on the water. You see the dark skin girls with a light skin crew. Always to you. She the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Count on the three, I'm still saying this bitch knows like 𝗏𝖾.